So I came up here to look at the supports I did here, and I was pretty sure I knew what I had done. I kept the distance from here to here the same on each one. But then I look over here on this one, and something's wrong. And if I feel on the other side is correct. So basically I wasn't paying attention and I routed too far. And it seems like I might have noticed this before and thought, well, I'll fix it later. Well, I need to fix this because it doesn't show up right now because it's all one color. But when we start accenting these with a different color here, it's going to show like crazy. So I cut a little piece of wood. Let's see, where is it? I just guessed at the triangle size, but if it's close, that'll be fine. One side's a little narrower than the other, so I'll use whichever one fits better. Nail it in with these nails here, and then I'll file it down so it looks about right, and then I'll caulk it. So sometimes you make mistakes, correct them, because in this case it's going to show. When I look at the others, they're all good, so I don't see this mistake made anyplace else, but especially this one's right on the outside, it's going to really show. Okay, let's fix our air and then let's get putting up the other supports.